Hello and welcome to video number 2, the product vendor checklist. In this specific video, I'm going to be talking about what exactly you will need to gather before you put your products onto the DigiResults platform. So why do you gather it now than later? Well, it's better to know what you need and gather it in advance so you won't have to stop, pause, or forget when you actually set things up. So when I begin to set things up, I'm going to move fast, and this should speed the process up faster, so you should be able to set everything up quickly and easily. So make sure that you absorb all this information and jot down the product checklist slide, as you're going to need this when you set up your product. DigiResults is really easy to set up compared to other systems, but I have to say, compared to a lot of other systems, they are pretty good in terms of the instant affiliate system, but in terms of setting it up, it's really easy just because there are some limitations. And we'll talk about more about that in just a minute. So product checklist, this is something that you will need to jot down. I'd say the most important part of this specific video. So these are all things that you need to create first. You need to create the sales page, thank you page, content files, and you're going to need to zip those files up. You're going to need to have the affiliate page. This is optional but powerful, and I'm going to talk more about this and how to create the affiliate promotional tools later on. And of course, any additional one-time offers or back-end offers will need extra sales pages and extra thank you pages. So in other words, if you're going to add a one-time offer or a back-end offer, you're going to need to have additional pages for these. Let me go over some DigiResults definitions. You're going to need to have your product listing name, basically your product listing category, where your product fits into, the support email, the sales page, and you're going to need to have your own link, a variant, which is basically the price, and your thank you page. And you can have several variants or price points per product. Let's talk about the DigiResults advanced options so you know what to expect and what they provide. Second tier affiliate tracking basically means that, let's say your affiliate promotes a product, they're going to get a commission. But if they refer somebody else who's an affiliate and they make a commission, then that first affiliate will basically make a commission every time the second affiliate makes a commission. So that's what we call second tier affiliate tracking. But be aware that this is only available for one-time priced products. This is not available for any type of recurring monthly product. Then we have autoresponder integrations for each product type or variant. So in other words, every time somebody buys the product, you can add them to a list. Direct receipts, this is an advanced option for advanced scripts that detect when a refund or sale is made and affects some sort of account creation process. But of course, we're not going to really cover this in this specific video series unless you're going to use some sort of advanced script. You'll need to see DigiResults help database for more information. I'll show you where to get help for this type of advanced options. The next option is called equity partners. Basically, this is every time a sale is made, whoever is your equity partner, it could be your business partner who might be earning 50%, or your copywriter who you might have agreed upon that they're going to earn 10% of every single sale, or your graphic designer, or whomever is going to make a commission off every sale. This is different than an affiliate. Basically, if you have a business partner and you're splitting it 50-50, so let's say $20 sale is made. So if your affiliate has made the sale and they get 50%, then you split the $20 into $10. But the $10, if your equity partner, your business partner, gets an additional 50% and you get 50%, then DigiResults is going to set it so it's going to pay the affiliate, and then what's left over is $10. So your business partner is going to get the 50%, which is $5, and then you're going to get the $5. So the beauty of all of this is it's all automated and instant. And of course, DigiResults has bridging, which is one of the more advanced options. I'll say that most sites do not have this type of option, which is really good part of DigiResults. But basically, bridging is selling your products on other networks without the worries of changing your other networks. So, for example, if your product is on different affiliate networks, you can actually put it on DigiResults and bridge it so that if somebody makes a sale on pay.com or JVZoo, it still bridges with DigiResults, and you don't have to worry about taking your product off the other affiliate networks to be compatible and bridge over to DigiResults. So that's a really cool feature that is part of DigiResults. Let me talk about the types of payment options by DigiResults. They provide one-time payments, so if your front-end offer, your back-end, your one-time offer is a one-time payment, they support this. They also support subscription and multiple payments. The only thing that you need to be aware of is that with recurring products, they only have a monthly recurring. So if you want to do like weekly or quarterly, they don't actually have this option. So that's why I was saying it earlier on, there are some limitations. So they only have a monthly recurring. And they force you to do a $1 trial for 1 week, which is required. Then you do an X amount of dollars monthly. So that's just something to be aware of, that they force you to do a 1 week dollar trial. Multiple payments for high ticket items, you can do this as well. Very, very easy to do. And you can also set coupon, discount codes, or even dime sales if needed. Hello and welcome to video number 3. In this specific video, we're going to be talking about mapping out your sales funnel. After you sell your initial front-end offer, will you be offering your buyers a one-time offer? Will you be offering them a back-end product? Because if you are, DigiResults allows for one-time offer and a back-end product. So why should you offer a one-time offer? You may not have a one-time offer or a back-end product as you're watching this. You may only have a product. But I want to suggest to you that you create a one-time offer and a back-end product. And here's why. OTOs or one-time offers offer the ability to increase your profits. And here's why. And this is because customers are in a buying mode. It's easier to sell something to somebody who has just invested into your product and they trust in you by investing money into your product. If they've invested money into your product, then they're most likely going to buy something else that you have to offer. Now, in order for this to work, and in order for you to get higher conversions, the one-time offer or the back-end product must be related or helpful in some sort of way to the front-end offer. If your one-time offer has nothing to do with your front-end offer, then you're actually going to get a lot lower conversions. Normally, conversions can range from anywhere from 50 to 75% when the offer is tightly related to the front-end offer. And that's just a secret that you can use right away. So some examples of a one-time offer is, let's say you have a front-end offer that describes some sort of strategy or system or process. Then for your one-time offer, you could offer a shortcut of the front-end offer. Let's say the front-end offer system would take you normally 5 hours to implement, but you're offering a one-time offer for a piece of software or maybe some shortcuts, secrets that your customers can use to speed the process from 5 hours to, let's say, 15 minutes. So that could be your one-time offer. So for somebody who wants to speed the process up, which is likely to be most people, then they're probably going to invest more money into your one-time offer. You can also offer a software, a done-for-you service, or something that helps them save time and money. Back-end offers. DigiResults has back-end offers set so that after somebody pays, you can offer them something additional to your initial product or something else. But I would recommend offering something that actually complements the initial product. So this is what a basic sales funnel looks like, and this is the actual sales funnel that I'm going to be implementing and be showing you how to set up on your DigiResults account. So you got your main sales page that links to the thank you page. So it's fairly basic. But with DigiResults, the sales funnel setup looks like this. You have the main sales page, and after somebody pays for the product, you can send them to a one-time offer. And then you have a back-end offer that is on the back end of the actual page. So I want to get you to realize that adding a one-time offer or a back-end offer actually uses the same settings. So it's actually very, very easy to add a one-time offer or back-end offer. And it's actually the same as adding the initial front-end offer on DigiResults. So everything that I'm going to cover, the sales page, the thank you page, and the checklist, basically is the same thing for the one-time offer and the back-end offer. So you will, of course, need to have an additional sales page and thank you page for each of those other one-time offers and back-end offer products. So let's go ahead and start putting the pages together so that we can set this up onto DigiResults. And that's what I'm going to discuss in the next video.